So here we are at Slow Dancer. She is without doubt one of the nicest 40-foot Shing slash spindrift motor yachts, certainly in the Delta, if not the entire West Coast, and who knows, maybe even the nation. She is a beauty. She's a 1983. And she's undercover, been undercover as far as we know, and in freshwater, other than some trips to the bay, all her life. What a beauty. Take a walk around here to the port side. Look at her shine. Canvas is in really nice shape. Go ahead and step aboard, and I'll head forward down what I might note are really nice wide walkways. I'm not a little guy, and there's lots of room to navigate on her. Got anchoring system, plow anchor, and a vertical windlass. Got water up here to wash down your anchor. Looking aft, and we'll check out the starboard side looking aft. And now we'll go ahead back to the port side and make our way back to the quite spacious Sundeck. Nice beamy boat, lots of room back here. Some hard sides with our hard top really make for a nice area. Got an ice maker back here, and she's open to the bridge so everybody can be a part of the party. Take a couple of steps up here to the bridge. Seating on the port side. Nice L-shaped seat. Starboard and amidships. Nice Todd helm seat. Helm is nice and clean. Instrumentation protected. And great visibility forward, and when you're backing into your slip, as she is now, nice visibility aft as well. So we'll head down now and have a gander at her beautiful interior, and we'll do that in the second portion of our video walkthrough.